Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily find the week number for any date in Google Sheets using a super handy formula called WEEKNUM. Whether you're tracking project milestones, organizing your tasks, or just want to know where a particular date falls in the year, by the end of this video, you'll be able to calculate week numbers in seconds, and I'll walk you through each step, even if you're totally new to formulas in Sheets. So let's jump right in. Alright, imagine you've got a project timeline set up in Google Sheets. Maybe your table looks something like this. In column A, you have all your important dates, and in column B, you've written down each key activity. For example, 2020-5010 kickoff meeting, 2020-5010 draft proposal, and so on for each phase of your plan. Now, what if you want to see at a glance which week each of these events happens in? That's where the WEEKNUM formula is going to save you a lot of time. Let's head to the empty column right next to your activities. Click on the cell in the first row alongside your date, so if your dates start in cell A2, you'd click into, say, cell C2. Now here comes the magic. Type in equals weeknum A2 and hit enter. That's it. What this does is tell Sheets to look at whatever date is in cell A2 and return the week number of the year it belongs to. For example, if A2 is 2025-0102, the formula will give you the number of the week in 2025 that this day falls in. Why is WEEKNUM so useful? Well, weeks are often easier to visualize than raw dates, especially when you're planning sprints, reviewing progress, or arranging recurring meetings. Instead of sorting through days and months, you can instantly spot, say, oh, review day is in week 3, and coordinate everything else around that. Now, once you have your first week number, you'll want to get the week numbers for all your other dates too. Luckily, you don't have to retype that formula over and over. Just hover your mouse over the lower right corner of the cell where you put equals weeknum A2, you'll see a little blue square appear that's called the fill handle. Click and drag that handle straight down alongside your list of dates, and Google Sheets will automatically apply the formula to each row, adjusting the cell reference so every date gets its own week number. This part might take a few moments if you've got a big list, but don't worry if you see a few empty or unexpected results at first. Double-check that your date format is consistent in column A, since WEEKNUM relies on proper date values to work its magic. If you happen to see an error, it's usually because there's a cell with a missing or misformatted date. Once you're done, you'll have a neat column showing you the week number for every single deadline, meeting, or milestone. This way you can filter, sort, or even color code your schedule based on weeks, making organization a whole lot clearer. I find this especially helpful when I want to group all activities for a particular week together or prep agendas ahead of time. And there you have it, a quick, effective way to use the WEEKNUM formula in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about Google Sheets or want to see a tutorial on something specific, just leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss another practical tip. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.